Welcome everybody, my name is Adam, also known as the Swedish car guy. In my channel I do car reviews, car meets and car products. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell when I release a new video. And today we're gonna review this car behind me, a Honda S2000 from 2000. So I wish you all a great Sunday. Take care. Welcome everybody to this Honda S2000 from the year 2000, and right now we are just driving along on the highway just to get the hang of the car. And I could say I really like this car. It sounds pretty awesome. I don't know if you heard the sounds, but it sounds pretty good and it's pretty quick. The Honda S2000 has in standard form 240 horses, no turbocharge, so it's naturally aspirated. We also got a 6-speed manual gearbox, which is pretty nimble to say the least. And to all of you that are watching, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the Honda S2000 or the MX5? I want you to comment below which one you prefer. I would say, I had said it before, that I would take an MX5, but I think I don't want that anymore. I think I should take this car instead, because this car feels actually much quicker, but it's got a lot more horses as well. And you know, this car has a VTEC as well, so it sounds pretty good. Let me see if I can demonstrate it. Just listen, glorious sound. It's so much fun to drive. And as you can see, I'm on the right side, so I wanted to give this video a thumbs up just because I'm on the right side as well. And I have driven some cars right now that are on the right side, so I actually feel pretty comfortable. So, how is this to drive if you never have driven a car like this? Yeah, for me it's pretty easy, and I think it could be that for anyone actually. And the shifting is pretty easy, since it's pretty short shifts, so it's easy, nimble. And sure, this car is a wide body, but it feels like a normal car, just a little bit more quick. And now I'm gonna demonstrate how graceful you can get out of this car. You start with the roof, and I'm a pretty small dude, and I'm still having some issues with it. And this car is pretty low from the beginning, but as you can see, this is even lower, a little bit more. And yeah, you got to have right technique to do it. And otherwise than that, it's pretty easy to get in the car. It's much easier to get in the car and get out of the car. So do you think it's easy to get in this car? Comment below if you own one of these cars. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, since I have noticed that a lot of people are watching, but you're not subscribing. So what not? Hit the subscribe button if you like my content. And don't forget to comment the video, give the video a like. And I talk to you next Sunday. Take care. Bye.
These brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die.